Hey guys, Jim Simons here for Social Pace Me. In this video, I want to show you how to create a video share campaign. To start, I've logged into my demo account under John Smith, and I'm on the Getting Started page of the members back office. So let's create our first video share. We go to the promotion dashboard, click Create Video Share, and now we need to find a video to share. So we'll just click on this to hop over to YouTube. And I want to search for funny cat videos. It could be anything, but we want to just find fun, entertaining, engaging stuff. And we want to find something with a lot of views. Here's one with 100 million views. That looks good. Okay, so here's the video, and we want to grab the share link. We'll just copy, and we'll bring it back over here. You'll want to paste your video URL down here, and these are the accepted formats, and it's pretty much the same on Vimeo. Now we'll want to give this a name. We'll call this Cats Gone Wild for the campaign name. Headline, I'm going to use the same thing. Cats Gone Wild, and a subheadline, Can Your Cat Do This? Okay. Now down here, if we wanted to promote a third-party destination, such as your own website, you could put in that and a call to action. But for now, we're just going to promote the network, which is what most of us will want to do. As a pro member, you may name your own short URL link. So I will call this Funny Cats. Easy to remember. Okay, success. Our fine machinery is processing your masterpiece. Depending on the time of day and the volume of shares, the combobulator may take from 30 minutes to 24 hours to approve your share. Copy the link below to promote and share with your social circles, after approval, of course. Now, if we want to look at this right now, we'll see that it's still pending, and we're not going to get past this page. The reason that we need to approve the shares is so that we have positive, uplifting stuff. We don't want negative stuff going through the network, of course. So in the meantime, create another share. Create 5 or 10 shares right away, because it takes a little time to approve them. Even if you're not ready to use them just yet, they will be ready by the time you need them. Okay? So I'm going to skip ahead and approve this share. I've gone ahead and approved this campaign. Once your campaign has been approved, you'll be sent an email. The email will also show up here in your back office. So we can click on this. You have an open ticket. Click here. Okay, we see your campaign has been approved. Hi, John Smith. Remember, I'm in a demo account of John Smith for this demonstration. Congrats, your campaign has just been approved. Please promote or share your campaign link now. Okay, and here's my short URL. Again, as a pro member, I can make my own short URL. Now, of course, if the campaign has been rejected, this ticket's going to look different, and we'd have a link asking us to edit our campaign. So anyway, let's go ahead and look at the campaign. And this is what you'll be sharing. This is what your social circle is going to see. Share this again. Videos our members are sharing. Here's your headline and your subheadline description, and here's the video, and let's just make sure it works. We'll just sample a little bit. Okay, great. Did you enjoy this? Know others who will also? John Smith would love you to share this again. And then all the social buttons, and again the short link, they can copy and paste or email it. Have something you'd like to share? Click here. That leads them into our network. Now, as a pro member, if you have listed your Facebook and or Twitter and or YouTube, they will show up down here. If not, these will not show up at all. And then we have shared by pro member John Smith. Have questions? Email John Smith at, and of course it's all fake data, fake email address, fake phone number, just for the purposes of this demonstration. Your information will show here. If you're a free member, it will say shared by free member John Smith. Or if you're a starter member, shared by starter member John Smith, okay? Let's go ahead and look at the call to action. Have something you'd like to share? Oh, incidentally, if you did select to promote a third-party link when you set up your share, that would also show up on this page with your call to action. But when we just want to promote the network, we want to leave that out. So something you'd like to share, click here, and we'll note, if you look down in the bottom left hand of the screen, you'll see my username, test, and the campaign is Funny Cats. So we click here, and this brings them to our lead cap page. Who else wants to get paid $1K per sale simply by sharing funny videos online? We got here through an email or support ticket, as I showed you. But let's go back. And I always like to start the Getting Started page. The other way you can find your links to promote is on step 2, promote your campaign. Let's go here. Okay, right now we only have one campaign set up, and the fact that it's green means it has been approved. And if we want to get the link, click on the binoculars. Okay, here we have the link we can copy. We just mouse over it. You can Control C on Windows to copy, Command plus C on a Mac, and Control V to paste on Windows, Command V to paste on a Mac. Now, I can copy and paste this in a new window, but to see it, I can also just click here on the campaign link. Okay, it takes me right back over there. Now, if we scroll down, we can see text ads we can use specifically for this campaign. We'll see. Okay, solo text ad samples for ad campaign Cats Gone Wild. And if we look down here, we look through some of these ads, we'll see, hey, there's our campaign. There's the link right in there. For each campaign you create, you have custom text ads at the ready. And the same with banner ads. We go to banner ads. Again, if we're jumping from the campaign, we'll see these are for our campaign. And here's where the banner is hosted, and it links to your campaign. We'll scroll down. Okay. A lot of great banners to choose from. Now, we've been using this Getting Started page as our jumping off point. We can also get there directly from the promotion dashboard. So we go over here, and we can just click on My Campaigns. Okay, this is step 2 from Getting Started. You've got some more options here. If you'd like to edit your campaign or delete it, you can use these buttons. This page, by the way, is the stats dashboard. So we've got some great information. How many leads have we signed up? We've got clicks, raw and unique, impressions, raw and unique, the number of leads, the cost per lead, the number of signups, the number of sales, your cost per sale, your conversion rate, the commissions that you've earned, and of course the date it was created. And for those of you who will be advertising third-party sites, you'll see this notice. Note, you will never be charged ad credits to click on your own ads while logged in. This is because we realize you will want to see your own ads in the back office, of course, and you'll want to be able to test them. We can return to our promotion dashboard right here. Now, we've covered how to create a video share. A tweet share is much the same, except we're going to Twitter to find a tweet, and of course the page will look a little different. Tracking link we will cover in another video, but just real quick, I want to show you on the advanced view. Click here to expand and see options to promote third-party sites. If you have no other site to promote, you may ignore this section. So let's go ahead and click on it. And we'll see right off, this opens up create text ad, banner ad, solo ad, traffic exchange ad, a login ad, and a logout ad. Again, if you've got another website to promote that is something that's not social pays me, it's not share my tweet, it's not share this again, then these are options where you can do that. And that we will promote these in our network for another website. So again, if you don't need it, just don't go there. And we can keep it nice and simple. Create videos. If you don't use Twitter, you don't need to use Twitter. Just, you can ignore this. Everybody can share videos, okay? This is going to be the main thrust of the network right here, is share this again. I'm sure we will have a lot of Twitter users as well, and that's why I created this. But again, don't feel pressured that you have to use it. If you're not a Twitter guy, you don't need to use it. You can ignore it. But certainly everybody shares videos. Now I want to return to the Getting Started page so we can cover step 3. So we've done number 1, we created a video share. We've done number 2. We've gone to the dashboard to see that and promote it. Now number 3, promote Social Pays Me. You may also promote the Social Pays Me affiliate network directly without using our social sharing tools at all, with paid and free advertising on the internet. This may be the best promotion method for those without any social circles, or for those who cater to the affiliate marketing crowd. We've got everything you need for success: text ads, banner ads, and of course, ad resources. So let's jump over to ad resources. Pick a place you want to advertise. Let's say we want to advertise a quick ad. Okay. We'll come on over here, and we've got a place to advertise. So let's go back. Now, to track your ad results, we strongly recommend you create a unique tracking link for each site where you advertise. This way, you can see which campaigns are successful, so you can pour more money into those to hopefully repeat results and dump any dud campaigns. Getting back to promoting the network directly, once you've chosen a place to advertise, the next step is going to be to create your tracking link. Okay, assuming I want to advertise on Quick Ad, for example, I'm going to create a campaign called Quick Ad. And it costs 1 ad credit for a short URL. And the advertising source is quickad.com. And it's going to be a $5 ad. And I will keep my destination URL. This is my my affiliate link. This is where I want it to go. This will actually redirect to the lead cap page. And my short URL, I'll call it Quick Ad. Okay, your campaign has been created. Note, all ads are approved manually before going live. This may take up to 24 hours. Short redirect tracking URLs will be approved immediately if they have been pre-approved. So if we've done it before, it'll be auto-approved next time. And of course, if it's just your affiliate link, that will be auto-approved. Click here to see your campaigns. And as we can see, the Quick Ad campaign has been added. Now I have 2 campaigns. The Cat's Gone Wild that I set up before, and now my Quick Ad, which is my URL redirect campaign. You'll note this has been auto-approved because it's my affiliate link. So again, to get your link, click on the binoculars, and here's the link. We can copy and paste to use. And if we just want to see it really quick, we can always click here and shoot right over. Here's a lead cap. Here's a sign-up form. This puts people in our funnel. This is what we want to promote. And now, again, we have text ads that are set up specifically for this campaign. So this is for Quick Ad. Now, because I've come from this campaign link, if I go to look at the text ads and I scroll down, I will see they all go to my Quick Ad campaign link. This is very handy. So now I can copy and paste this, go back to Quick Ad, and create my ad. Do a banner on Quick Ad, I can go to the banners here. And again, these are set up for this campaign. It goes to that Quick Ad campaign that I created. So I have to find out what kind of banner size they support and then choose appropriately. So that's about it. Of course, you want to follow up with your leads, reach out to them, call them, talk with them, establish a relationship. This is a business, folks. You got to treat it like one. Now, we covered setting up a video share and doing a redirect campaign. I will be creating more videos for the other types of campaigns, but they're essentially all the same. You've got the gist of it now. You get started, you go to the promotion dashboard, you create the kind of campaign that you want to set up, and then you walk through the steps. And it's just that simple. When you set up a new campaign for every place that you advertise, you'll know exactly where you stand. Text ads, resources are working for you. So let's go get some sales. This has been Jim Simons for Social Pays Me, saying thank you for being a part of our fun community. Let's go out and get some social shares. Make it a great day.